Salamat po.
Thank you rin po.
Gusto ko lang bigyan din yung zero subsidy doesn't mean zero budget for PhilHealth. Malino yun Zero subsidy doesn't mean zero budget. Kasi ang laki pa ng pera ng PhilHealth kahit wala yung subsidy.
One, with Congress not giving the 74 million, and you explained 20+ billion is for the universal healthcare law implementation. Will that be affected, or may pagkukunan ang PhilHealth sa universal healthcare law implementation?
Yeah, we can dip on the funds of PhilHealth, and it will function as it has never been.
Yes.
So the subsidy is not needed. I'd like to say I need the subsidy, but I can't say that because
So the
there is
subsidy
money.
of
There is
PhilHealth is not needed.
as of now, it's not needed. If
Okay.
there's need for it, we will ask for more. But we are just following what the subsidies is coming from sin taxes to pay for indirect members.
Yes.
So
Kinailangan pa ba natin na i-zero talaga si PhilHealth to free up 74 billion pesos, Mr. President?
I know, Mr. President, that's also the question of many. And I've thought about this long and hard. And there's no denying that PhilHealth has a savings amount of 600 billion, Mr. President. And that's also the reason why initially the administration thought of it as a way also to augment certain short fundings that we had, for example, for health workers, etc. Hindi natin maintindihan ba't hindi nila ginagamit yung pera na nandun na meron sila na nakaimbak sa isang, ewan ko kung anong klaseng account yan, savings account, na ang kinikita ay mas mababa pa kesa sa inflation. Mr. President, hindi pwedeng sisihin na nagkulang tayo sa pagbibigay sa kanila. Kasi nga ang daming ang pera na nandyan. Hindi nila pinamimigay ang pera dun sa mga nangangailangan at tinuturuan din natin sila ng leksyon. Kung bigay ka ng bigay, nandun lang yung pera, hindi naman nagagamit. Paano naman yung mga ibang programa rin ng gobyerno na nangangailangan din ng funding?
Senate President Francis Escudero stressed PhilHealth can continue its operations on their health services even without subsidy in the 2025 national budget. In an interview, Escudero said this should not affect PhilHealth's ability to deliver health services. He further expressed if the agency already has sufficient funds, why would they be given additional resources? Senate Committee on Finance Chairperson Senator Grace Poe previously confirmed PhilHealth still has reserve funds amounting to 600 billion pesos.
PhilHealth has a 500 billion reserve, and the cost of to provide their services in 1 year is less than 100 billion. So their budget actually for expenditure is in the 260 billion, is in 100 and plus billion. So meron pa ring reserve. That's why I know na naabala ang tao because bakit natin binawasan? Dahil ang katotohanan diyan ay kung tignan niyo, kaya binawi ng Department of Finance yung ilang reserve na naman doon na naiwan dahil hindi nagamit yun ng ilang taon. In other words, the PhilHealth has sufficient budget to do all of the things that they want to do. So let's go back the last 2 years. Kung titignan ninyo, ang services na binibigay, ang mga treatment na binabayaran ngayon ng PhilHealth ay nag-expand na ng gusto. We are taking care of many more conditions, many more. We have more dialysis treatments. We are attending to more people. That's from the budget of 2023 and 2024. So patuloy, pataas ng pataas. Pati yung pagbayad. Ang payments ngayon natin for cancer, for the other diseases, hundreds of % ang increase doon sa dati. In other words, kaya ng PhilHealth na bayaran niya. And the reason why is that we do not want to subsidize it is because it is the subsidy with hook lang doon sa bank account ng PhilHealth, hindi magagamit. Marami tayong paggagamitan noon. So that's a simple explanation there. Is that they have sufficient funds to carry on. Because ang problema sa PhilHealth, ang problema ngayon sa PhilHealth, hindi tungkol sa pagbigay ng serbisyo. Hindi sa pagbigay ng insurance cover. Hindi yan ang problema na kulang sila sa budget kaya hindi sila nakakapag-alaga ng tao. Kulang sila sa budget kaya maliit ang bayan. Hindi yan ang problema. Ang problema, kung titignan ninyo, you look at the reports that are happening, sa dami ng bagong services ng PhilHealth, sa dami ng mga bagong payment na binibigay ng PhilHealth, nababara ang sistema. You can see there are in the provinces, merong mga tao nag-aantay buong araw, yung pilat 200 tao. Nag-aantay, magke-claim sila. Hindi naman mahirap. Pero that's what's happened in PhilHealth. Yun ang problema sa PhilHealth. The problem is the processing capacity. Kaya ang naging priority, isa sa pinakamalaking priority sa PhilHealth, of course, to continue to provide services, continue to provide insurance, is pag-digitalize na kayo. Patuloy kanila, that's where the effort is para lahat itong mga taong ito ma-process natin. Tuloy-tuloy naman, tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy pa rin ang insurance, tuloy pa rin ang bayaran ng claim. And at the same time, mabilis makuha ng tao yung kanilang insurance claim.
Good afternoon, dear members of PhilHealth. In relation to the Bicameral Conference Committee's recent decision not to provide PhilHealth with government subsidy for calendar year 2025, allow me to assure everyone that PhilHealth will continue to pay for the health benefits of all Filipinos, with or without government subsidy. It is our goal to finance the best care and benefits available. The decision of the Bicameral Conference Committee reflects its wisdom. The BICAM understands PhilHealth's capacity to continue managing the National Health Insurance Program given its surplus funds. Our financial position is strong and sufficient to sustain our operations. With a total of 281 billion in reserves and 150 billion pesos in surplus funds as of October 2024. On the other hand, our investment portfolio as of November 2024 already reached 489 billion pesos. We shall do better to provide reasons for the provision of government subsidies, which are vital to ensuring long-term improvements. We are deeply aware of the impact healthcare costs have on Filipino families, and we remain dedicated to enhancing our benefit packages and reducing out-of-pocket expenses so that every patient feels the security of their health insurance. Rest assured, all PhilHealth benefits will continue to be paid and will even improve. PhilHealth stands with every Filipino in our shared goal of achieving universal health coverage and a healthcare system that you can always trust and rely on. Together, we will overcome these challenges and continue to strengthen our commitment to your health and well-being.